How to send emails using Gmail. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can send an email via the Gmail application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need is the Gmail application and your Google account signed in. And once you are all set with that, you can simply open the Gmail application by tapping onto it and you will be landed into your inbox. Now within the inbox you will see this option that says compose. So simply click onto this compose option in order to compose a Gmail. Now in this particular interface you first have this from field which represents that who is the sender of this email, which in this case is you yourself. Then you will need to type in the recipient or whom you are sending this email. So type in their address and you can add them as well, and apart from that you can add multiple people. So once you are done with the sender or the receiver, you will need to type in the subject. So you can type in a subject line, and then after typing in the subject line you can type in your actual email like this. And then once you have successfully typed in your email, you can send it by clicking onto this icon right here which stands for send. So simply click onto the send option, and once you see the sent option or the sent message, you can get confirmed that your email was indeed sent. Also, in order to find out all the sent emails, you can click onto these three horizontal lines, and from here you can go to sent, and if it is here you can see that here are all of these emails that you have sent. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.